the nature of his kingdom. When Jesus stood before Pilate, he made a declaration that still echoes through time. My kingdom does not belong to this world. John 18, verse 37. He did not mean that his kingdom is absent from this world, but that it does not operate according to the logic of this world. His power is not exercised through violence, intimidation, manipulation, or political influence. His authority does not come from armies or borders. Christ reigns through truth, mercy, sacrifice, humility, and love.